Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and today we're talking about full arch records and how we evaluate patients that are overclosed or they have no posterior stops. So traditionally, we could use a bite block for that. Bite block, bite rim gets them in their new vertical, and then you send those records back to us. But we have a even better tool to use, and it's called the JC TryIn. Now, the first question I always get when I mention the JC TryIn is, what does that even stand for? Just a side note, it's one of our team members actually came up with this concept, which is a way better, it's a more accurate way to evaluate a patient in a new bite. So what is it? It is a 3D printed orthotic that seats just like a flipper or a partial, and it puts them in their new vertical and ideally their new bite as well. So once we send this to you, you seat it, and then you'll want to evaluate again, make sure the patient's comfortable with their new vertical, and you can adjust their bite, get them so they're comfortable, and then once you've adjusted it, please take a new bite and then send some photos, a full face, full smile, and then center, left, right, retracted in occlusion photos as well. And then again, make sure they're happy, send that back to us, and from there, we're gonna plan your full arch chrome case from those new records. So that's what we're gonna mount the case to and then move forward with planning. Can the patients wear this home? The answer is yes, because for those patients that we're opening up, 10 plus millimeters, maybe they want to get comfortable with this new bite. So it is something you can send them home in. They cannot eat or drink with it in, but maybe keep it in for a couple hours and sit there just to make sure they're comfortable with the new position of their bite and how open they are. If you have any questions on the JC TryIn, leave them in the comment section below and we'll get right back to you. Otherwise, please visit us at our website, and also please like our YouTube channels for great videos like this and other on all dental products. Thank you.